first and foremost is the moisture. There's a tray to capture moisture. And then we have several different filters. Dryer vent tube, vent hose, filters. It comes with 3 disposable filters. I'm not sure if all 3 go in the same place. I don't know. Let me do my homework and get this set up, and we'll actually see about putting it to the test with my portable dryer. I have the dryer vent mounted. Please, be kind to me. We're in the green box, and we've got most of our stuff packed into this building while we're building our house. So it's a little bit full and in a bit of disarray. So don't pass judgment on me. I'm gonna need to get some dryer hose tomorrow. But we've got the box mounted. It comes with mounting hardware. 2 packages of filters. It just hangs on that little bracket. You gotta get it on there just right though. There we go. So you have a water level indicator when your humidity condenses enough that you need to empty it, and at that point you're going to want to clean your filters too. So you have a filter here. You get 3 sets. You have primary initial lint filter, and that slows the air flow down enough for the condensation to kind of fall out of it, and then it passes through the second filter, which is a 2-stage. And then we snap that back into place, put that back into place. So I'll get some dryer hose and we'll see this in operation. Come drying. There's plenty of airflow coming through there, and then come back. But this, there's no moving parts. I really like it's simple, easy to use. It doesn't actually have to be mounted on the wall. It's better, but because you don't want it to turn over. But you could just actually set that up on top of the dryer if you needed that to be a portable setup. Like if I were to set this up inside the coach on a rainy day while I'm trying to do some laundry. And this is just the icing on the cake.